Hi, my name is Tanner. I'm an ag mechanics. The reason I took ag mechanics was because I thought it would fit my future the best. The coolest thing about ag mechanics is the tool room. We got over $100,000 worth of snap-on tools, every mechanic stream. The coolest thing about the tool room is, they help you name all the tools and they help you what every tool's for. So, the motors we work on, our junior year is all gas motors, from single cylinder motors to twin to even 4 cylinders. Then our senior year we'll work on diesel from like inline-sixes to tractors, combines, and stuff like that. We do a lot of air brakes our senior year, and then differentials our senior year, from tractors, trucks, semis, and then we'll be licensed in hydraulics our senior year too. Our junior year we do standard transmissions. Our senior year we'll do automatic transmissions. And also our senior year will be certified in backhoe, forklift, and skid loader. And that's all I really have, so please come out and check out ag mechanics.
Hello, my name is AJ Cyber. I'm an audit senior from West Virginia. One of my favorite things about the audit lab is the tool room. We have a high variety of specialty tools. It's kind of like the ag, but we have different tools. You can work on different things, kind of smaller, but a lot more technical, I'd say. We got tool cabinets on every bay of the thing, on every bay around the shop. These are the most frequently used tools that we use for like oil changes, rotating tires, frequent stuff. Do a lot of regular maintenance on cars, such as oil changes, tire rotations, tire changing, brakes, about anything you can think of. We do a lot of hands-on in our shop. Most everything we do, you can teach your hands in the classroom a little bit, but not that much, which is good because I'm not really much for the classroom. If you're not, I can get them too. One-on-one, we do a lot of one-on-one. If you don't understand something, you go to an master instructor and they'll be able to help you out so you're not like odd man out, not knowing what's going on. That's always helpful. We have a lot of top-line equipment. Snap-on's our main supplier. They provide us with the best tools. And our lifts, tire changer. We got our cage room in the back. Pretty much it's a tire room with the brakes. We have brake blade, off the car brake blade, so you can cut machine rotors with the tire changer and the balancing machine. I'm currently on early placement. I get to leave school early during lab hours, and I get paid for the work just like anyone else would, and I get credits for school. I work at home and motors in the school. That's about it. Thanks.
My name's Jennifer. I homeschool at Georgetown, and I'm a senior in the engineering program at Southern Campus. The engineering program generally has a fast-paced environment in which you cover subjects from digital electronics and design and development. It's really an opportunity to learn hands-on at your own pace. The amount of freedom this class has to offer makes it stand out from previous classes you may have taken. Thoughts are constantly bouncing off of each other about what projects you take on next or what crazy unconventional advice you can build afterwards. This class gives you the ability to take a random thought and turn it into something that's real and into something that works. I chose to take engineering because I wanted a class that I could be challenged in while doing something I actually enjoyed. I wanted a class that I could do something different in. This class opens your eyes to new opportunities you couldn't have seen before. There's always something new to do, from a new project to a new device to be built, so you rarely get stuck on doing the same thing for long. Since this program does cover a variety of engineering fields, there's going to be something that interests you, whether it's agriculture engineering or mechanical engineering. Just by the end of your junior year, you will have built ballistic devices, programmed remote control tanks, built robots, repaired machines, and even had a chance to use a 3D printer. I strongly recommend the engineering program because it is a work field that continues to grow in demand and take advantage of the material this program has to offer, will help you create a work foundation once you graduate.
My name's Chris Denning. My home school is Ripley, and I'm in the welding program. Welding, there's many different types of jobs you can go into. You could be a union pipe fitter, which is where you're going into power plants, and you're actually welding on boiler tubes and making the actual boilers in the power plants. You could be a union iron worker, which is someone who goes out and welds on structural steel. He builds hospitals, car garages, and even schools. In welding, we do all different types of welding. We do MIG welding, we do stick welding, we do TIG welding. We also do a little bit of brazing. The thing when you come into welding as a junior, you're going to take a CAD class, which is computer aided design. This will help you further your education and being able to work with the plasma cam and the water jet that we have in the class. We get forklift and skid steer certification at the end of your senior year. So another pretty cool job opportunity is you can become an underwater welder, which is someone that goes underneath the water and welds on like dams and bridges. You're then going to take a scuba class, and then you go and you practice welding underwater. When I get out of Southern Hills, I'm going to enlist in the Marine Corps. I'll become a combat engineer. And that's someone who blows stuff up and puts it back up and welds it back together. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Morgan Lear. I'm a senior at White Oak High School, and I attend the Southern Hills Graphics program. Your first year as a junior, you'll go in working on Adobe Illustrator, Adobe InDesign, and Adobe Photoshop. Some of the career programs you can go into is a graphic designer, photographer, videographer, and print specialist. The 4 areas of our lab is video and audio, photography, print, and design. We also have credit agreements with UC Claremont and Southern State Community College. Some of the equipment we use are Mac computers, digital cameras, and vinyl printers and plotters. During your senior year, you have the chance to take in client work and to work as a business. Running the business is a great experience, and it shows what you have to do in the real world. Behind us is a display, and as a client work this year, some of the students worked and printed that off as a client job. I plan on furthering my education and going to college and minoring in photography. Thank you.
My name is Jay Stevens, and I'm a senior at Fayetteville High School. I'm in the Information Technology program. Information technology is a great career choice for anyone interested in working with computers, whether interested in hardware support, network support, or software support. It's also a great foundational career choice because almost all professions use computers and therefore require the skills information technology provides. In our program, we learn to install and configure software programs, enhance your skills on a variety of software applications, and learn general business skills like technical writing and project planning. The goal of our program is to prepare students for their hardware and networking certifications like A+ and N+. We use an online-based training system called Test Out to prepare students for their A+ and N+ certifications. Your junior year, you work on your A+, which is your operating system and hardware certification, and your senior year, you work on your N+, which is your networking certifications. You can test these certifications both junior and senior year. We work with programs like Unity 3D, Kodu, and Lego Mindstorms to introduce basic programming during junior year. Kodu is a basic drag-and-drop programming game engine. Lego Mindstorm also uses drag-and-drop programming but for robots, and Unity 3D is more advanced with written code to build simulations in its game engine. And if you choose to pursue a higher education beyond high school, we offer articulation agreements with several local colleges, which means you earn college credits for just completing a program, and we are CTAC certified, which means you receive college credits at any public college in Ohio. Thank you.
All right, Chase, Megan, just go up.
Chase, you're going to get your award. Honors you don't have.
Here we go. I got like half of it.
Just do it.
All right. Yeah.
Okay. Stand
Adobe Illustrator, Adobe InDesign, and Adobe Photoshop to create various multimedia products. Also, as a junior, you will learn photography, audio recording, mixing, and mastering. When you begin your junior or senior year, you will use all of the skills that you learned through your junior year and have real-life client work. One of the cool parts about being a part of graphics here at Southern Hills is that we are a part of a national technical organization called Skills USA. Skills USA, you get to compete in various multimedia fields. We also have articulation agreements with UC Claremont and Southern State Community College, which means you can earn college credits from graphics just by completing our program. I am having a lot of fun here at Southern Hills.